In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect LinkedIn to Pipedrive. Whether you are a sales professional or a CRM enthusiast, integrating these two platforms can supercharge your productivity and keep all your important data in one seamless system. Let us dive right in and get started. First, open your browser and navigate to the Surf website. Surf is a robust integration tool enabling you to connect LinkedIn with various CRMs, including Pipedrive. Once there, you will see options to get started or start for free. Clicking on either of these will guide you through setting up your account, which is a necessary step to begin the integration process. If you do not already have an account with Surf, there is no reason to worry. It is easy to create one. Just follow the prompts and enter the required information. The process is straightforward and only takes a minute to complete. Having your account ready is crucial because it allows you to manage and add diverse integrations easily. After setting up your account and logging in, it is time to install the Surf extension. To do this, simply click on the option to add Surf to Chrome. This browser extension acts as a vital bridge between LinkedIn and Pipedrive, facilitating seamless data transfer. If you are not using Chrome, check to see if Surf supports your preferred browser. Although Chrome is generally recommended for best compatibility, once the extension is installed, your next step is selecting Pipedrive CRM as your destination for the LinkedIn integration. As you make this selection, Surf may prompt you to set up your email. This configuration step ensures that any leads or data imported from LinkedIn find their correct place in Pipedrive. Now that you have configured your settings, click on Continue to the app. This step engages the backend processes, setting up the API calls necessary for integration. You will notice that the Surf interface will redirect you. At this point, you will be directed to LinkedIn. Here, you must authorize the connection between LinkedIn and your Pipedrive account via Surf. Be on the lookout for any prompts on LinkedIn asking for permission to connect your Pipedrive data. It is important to approve these requests to ensure the integration functions smoothly. Make sure to carefully review any permissions to understand what data is being shared and how it will be used. And there you have it! In just a few simple steps, you have successfully connected LinkedIn to Pipedrive via Surf. This integration now allows you to effortlessly manage your contacts and streamline your workflow, bringing all your important data into one unified system. Enjoy the newfound efficiency and seamless synchronization between these two powerful platforms.